Currency Format JavaScript series. In the markup h2 id output element, here let output document.getElement by output in JavaScript file, create a function with the name of currency format, pass a parameter value, and second one is type, third one is currency name, and last one is f digits. Then return value to local string with the type an object. There is style value currency with currency name and minimum fraction digits. Then output inner HTML equal to my function. Here I put value and type, then currency name, after that number of decimal value after dot. You can see here, let me change something. US, USD. See the result in a currency format. Make changes in digits. We can see here 4 more digits here. AR for Arabic, and make decimal 2. Let's see the result. You can see here type is changed. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.